Hi everyone, and welcome back. This time we will be exploring another interesting science thing. Imagine you are living in a desert, or a place where rain is very less and no water sources are nearby, but you still need water to survive. Then how would you survive? So today we are going to explore an amazing technique to catch water from air. Yes, this is a real technique and it's been in use for a long time, and this technique is called fog catcher. Some of you might have seen nets on mountains or desert-like areas. Have you ever thought, what are these? What is their purpose? Let's explore in detail. Well, these are not normal nets, these are fog catchers. A source of water for these areas. They catch the water from fog and collect it through condensation, which will be available to use by people. Fog is a collection of tiny water droplets suspended in the air, just like clouds, but closer to the ground. When these droplets come in contact with a surface, they stick to it. The science behind fog catchers relies on this simple concept, known as condensation. When foggy air blows through a material with a large surface area, the tiny droplets in the fog cling to the surface, join together, and eventually form larger droplets that drip down and can be collected. While it might sound like a modern technology, but fog catching has been in use from ancient cultures. One of the earliest known examples is from the Andes Mountains in South America, where indigenous people noticed how the fog could help grow certain crops. They didn't use nets as we do today, but they planted trees and shrubs that would naturally capture water from the mist, helping their crops and drinking water supplies. In the 20th century, scientists began studying fog as a source of water in arid regions. The largest and most famous fog-catching project took place in the coastal areas of Chile's Atacama Desert, one of the driest places on Earth. This technique collects enough water to provide for small communities and irrigate crops. Today's fog catchers are high-tech compared to those early nets. Researchers have designed meshes with materials like polypropylene, a type of plastic that resists wear and can trap even more water. In places like Morocco, Peru, and South Africa, fog catchers provide clean, safe water to people who live in areas with limited rainfall. Fog catching projects have also become important for biodiversity, supporting reforestation efforts in dry regions. The additional water allows local flora to thrive, helping restore ecosystems that are otherwise at risk due to drought. Looking ahead, scientists and environmentalists are hopeful that fog-catching technology will expand, especially as climate change intensifies droughts around the world. Researchers are also exploring the potential of fog catchers to combat desertification by restoring vegetation in arid landscapes. I hope you got the point that how people are literally catching water from air for their survival and for ecosystem. I hope this boosted your knowledge, and make sure to support your friend who is doing hard work to provide you with interesting science knowledge. Subscribe, like and comment what to discuss next.